Alright, to replace a motherboard or an HP3804C, first of all remove the screws all the way around that hold in the back cover. So once you do that, you should be able to gently push the motherboard out. There's clips that secure it. Alright, so now you need to grab the replacement motherboard and just start unscrewing one cable at a time. You might need to cut some cable ties so make it easier for you. So just remove one connection, put it in, screw it in. Once you replace all the cables and with the new motherboard, so carefully push it back in and it should snap. After that, put the cover back on and then secure it with the screws here along the side.